Hi everybody, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mummy, and today I have 10 fantastic dollar store finds and DIYs for Canada Day. They are all budget friendly and super cute. First up is an adorable Canada Day print that you can download for free on my blog and pop into a dollar store frame. I'll leave the link to the free print that I designed in the description below. I found this red tray at the dollar store and I thought it would be perfect for displaying the artwork. When it comes to holiday decor, it doesn't get any easier than this. Next, I grabbed this candlestick holder from the dollar store and spray painted it red. I grabbed this bowl from the dollar store, and this is the bottom of a pot, which I also found at the dollar store. I spray painted it red. I used hot glue to put it all together and add a knob that I already had in my stash to the top, and I filled it with white candy, also from the dollar store. I think this is super cute. I think this is really whimsical and fun, and who doesn't like candy? These aren't DIYs, but I thought I would show you. I found these Canada Day nail stickers and this fun table confetti at the dollar store, and I think they're really sweet. The next DIY uses some sort of container out of your recycling bin and these dollar store straws. All you do is attach glue to the paper straws and attach them to your container until the whole container is covered. Then you can fill your vase with anything you like. I found these red and white flowers at the dollar store. I cut them with my floral cutters and I inserted them, and that's it for this one. Another great idea for Canada Day entertaining is to set up a red and white food buffet. Go to the dollar store, get some containers that are red and white and some foods that are red and white, put them all together, and it looks super cute and impressive. This no-sew Canada Day pillow is another quick and easy DIY. You buy this little cinch bag from the dollar store, remove the strings. You can stuff it with polyfill if you have it. I always use the inside of an old pillow from the dollar store and use hot glue to seal the top. And that's it. This Canada Day photo prop is another one of my favorite dollar store hacks for Canada Day. What you need to do is buy a piece of foam core from the dollar store, grab some red duct tape to make the stripes on the side, use an X-Acto knife to cut a maple leaf out of the center, and outline it with a red Sharpie, and that's it. What do you think of this one? Pretty cute, eh? This next DIY is super versatile, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to style it. But you start out with a glass vase from the dollar store, use some Mod Podge to attach a paper napkin, working it section by section. Then when it's all dry, you can put an extra coat of Mod Podge on the outside to seal it. When it's all dry, you can insert a Canada Day pinwheel into it, or you can take the top of a solar light and make yourself a lantern. Another idea is to grab these balloons from the dollar store. They're super cute. You push the button and they self-inflate, which my kids thought was pretty cool, and insert that into it. There really are an endless number of possibilities for this cute container. I really love all of these finds and DIYs for Canada Day using dollar store items. If you have a favorite, please leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time and happy Canada Day. Bye.